Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, today's video is especially for males who are facing sexual inability in their life. So here I am sharing one yoga therapy by which you will overcome from any kind of sexual inability. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start. The therapy name is Mool Bandha or the root lock. For that, sit on your mat comfortably. Straight spine, straight shoulder. First, relax your breath. With deep inhale, slowly exhale 3 times. Now take the lock your Mool Bandha. Now where is Mool Bandha? Mool Bandha situated in our perineum or anus area. For that, stretch your anus and perineum area with inhale and hold your breath as much as possible and stay in that position. Feel the stretch over here. And then release your breath. Minimum 15 minutes in a day you have to practice it for positive results. Again with me, with inhale, stretch your perineum and anal part together. Hold. With exhale, release. Inhale. Stretch your anal part. Feel the stretch here. Feel the sensation. Feel the sensation up to here. And then release the breath. Again with inhale, stretch. Lock your Mool Bandha. Release. Inhale. Root lock. Exhale. So friends, practice this yoga therapy regularly and get positive results. Namaste, take care and be connected.